Looking for a soaker hoses? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 soaker hoses available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect soaker hoses for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Gilmour Soaker Hose. Fortunately, you do not have to spend a lot of cash to get a high-quality and relatively long-lasting soaker hose. This affordable one by Gilmour offers good quality at a low expense. Apart from being the least expensive item on our soaker hose reviews, it is also the lightest in weight. This fantastic hose is made from 100% recycled and environmentally friendly vinyl, so you can rest assured that the water is safe for your plants. The flat soaker hose comes with a clog-resistant fabric cover that ensures you will always get a consistent soaking for your garden. It is also quite tough and durable. It is available in 25, 50, and 75-foot length options. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Melnor Flat Soaker Garden Hose. Melnor has been making hoses and other gardening equipment for more than 6 decades now. You can be confident that they know what works well for a soaker hose. This particular one comes in a pack of 2 50-foot hoses. It is also available in 25 and 75-foot length options. With a durable vinyl construction, gardeners will find it quite durable. Also convenient to use, this soaker hose folds flat for easy storage and placement. It is highly flexible and versatile, as you can use it above ground or bury it below a thin layer of mulch or soil. At number 3 on our list, we have the Miracle-Gro Premium Soaker Hose. Miracle-Gro is one of the most reputable garden hose manufacturers. You can always be sure that they have something that will work well for you in the world of gardening and yard work. This high-quality 100-foot soaker hose is no exception. The premium soaker hose is available in 50-foot, 75-foot, and 100-foot options. The fact that it is highly customizable is what will stand out to many gardeners as a unique feature. For customization, you will only need to cut the hose into the lengths that suit your garden, then join them using the S-Connect fittings that the company provides. At number 4 on our list, we have the Swan Miracle-Gro 252 Soaker System. For those who have a small garden, the 25-foot Swan Soaker System from Miracle-Gro will be very useful. First of all, it is relatively lightweight for easy handling. Like the previous one in this review, it is also customizable. You can cut and join pieces to your desired length using the 4-piece S-connectors. Controlling the water flow is also quite easy when using this soaker hose, as it has a built-in flow plug. Like most other Miracle-Gro soaker hoses, it uses up to 70% less water compared to the regular garden hoses. At number 5 on our list, we have the Apex Soil Soaker Hose. Watering a large garden efficiently is not always easy, but with this Apex 100-foot vinyl soaker hose, the task should be less tedious for you. Vinyl makes some of the best quality soaker hoses, so you can be confident that this choice will serve you well and last for a long time. It is also a highly flexible soaker hose, making it easy to handle and coil up after use. Also, it lies flat on the ground, so placing it in a neat circle should be quick and easy. At number 6 on our list, we have the Osmol Soaker Hose. This 100-foot hose by Osmol is the heaviest on our list. In other words, it will take more effort to handle. However, the extra weight comes from the fact that it uses tougher and thicker materials. The company states that 80% of the materials that make this hose are recycled, which is a great thing for environmentally friendlier green gardeners. And really, shouldn't we all be doing our part to help protect the environment for future generations? The top-rated soaker hose comes with extra thick walls. This means that you will get a slower soaking for more efficient watering. And finally, at number 7 on our list, we have the Dramm ColorStorm Premium Soaker Garden Hose. As you shop for the best soaker hose, water savings should be on your mind. If it is your main concern, this Dramm soaker hose will be perfect for you. It saves up to 90% of the water you would use with a regular garden hose. The hose comes in 50 and 25-foot length options, and it is made from recycled high-grade rubber. The walls are up to 50% thicker to eliminate the geyser effect, which causes a lot of water wastage. Whether you are watering gardens or beds, you can always be sure of maximum efficiency when using this soaker hose as it provides an even flow throughout its length. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.